So, sorry, I was eating my omelet. I'm going to be doing, as I promised Daniel, because for some dumb reason, I said, since I won't be able to talk to you while I'm at school, I'll make a burping video since you like those so much. I don't know why. And yes, I have this because I don't feel like making myself burp because it usually hurts my stomach. And I ate food, so I won't be able to do it as well. Yes, this will be what that is. It's already over 30 seconds. 1 second. I just did that. My mouth got full of soda. Let me just drink this real quick. I drink one of these every day because I don't drink water. I'm sorry, my brain ain't functioning at the moment. I'm so dumb. These videos are like gross as hell, according to most people. And then other people who say it's adorable, and I'm like, what? No, don't call me adorable. It's like, ugh, I will punch you. Don't call me adorable. But then I end up just like changing the subject because they won't stop when I say I'm not adorable. Excuse me. I just have this like one piece of hair that's like all curly. My hair is stick straight, or correction, it used to be, but then I, got a spiral perm. You just have over here my school computer's plump. Like, it always dies during school because I'm a dumbass who forgets to charge it the night before. So that's what I'm doing now. I haven't done any schoolwork today, in all honesty. I haven't done anything today. Correction, I've done something. I have painted my fingernails and toenails for my Halloween costume, which is short as hell, and I don't like that, and I'm gonna wear shorts under it. Not leggings, but shorts. Probably the shorts I have on now, because they're, like, short, but, like, yeah. Fuck, my clothes are in the dryer. Oops. When I finish, I gotta get my clothes out of the dryer. I was supposed to come out, like, 20 minutes ago, I think. Oops. Yeah, and then, what was I saying? Fuck. Yeah. And then, you already got the rundown of that in the last video. So, yeah. And I will be at school. For the people who do contact me and talk to me, I leave my house at around 6:45. Actually, no, we leave earlier than that. We leave at like 6:30, 6:35, somewhere around there. And we go to the bus stop. We don't get on the bus till around 7, but my grandmother likes to be down there, so we don't miss. There's no chance of us missing the bus, because then she won't drive us, and then we'll get counted absent, even if we do online. Yeah. So there's that, and then I don't get home from school until like 4, maybe 5. It's just like depends. And also this weekend I will not be on to Daniel. I will not be on, and my friend isn't the biggest fan of me talking to people I haven't met in person. So like, keep the messaging me on. Like, don't message me a lot while I'm there. It's like, she already pretty much told me to tell you to F off, and I didn't. Because, I'm a nice person. I'm too sweet for that. She's not, though. So, like, and she's stronger than me and can easily take my phone out of my hand and text you. So, like, yeah. Just keep that, like, to a minimum. Because I won't be on. When I'm at their house, I am never on my phone. Unless I feel it go off. And even then, she's just looking over my shoulder watching me, because I'm always like, because she's one of my bestest friends, so I'm always like in her lap cuddling with her. And then I end up falling asleep every time. But that's how I spend my weekend when I go to her house, like, because she's just one of my close friends, and I do that with, it's Ambiki. I mean, it's my Ambiki, and I will call her mine. Anyone who's got a problem with it can get over it. Like, even her boyfriend, he was like, he didn't even say anything because he knew I wasn't going to stop calling her my Ambiki. But I mean, they're over now, so. But yeah, she's my Ambiki, and she means the world to me. Also, guess who's a single Pringle? Me. Guess who's okay with it? Also me. Because guess who? It was a mutual decision, because we both decided it. Like, I messaged her about it, she didn't see it, and she emailed me while I was at school on my school computer. And then she said, I was like, you should check your messages. And she's like, I completely agree. Like, it was a mutual thing. Like, she didn't know I was going to tell her that, and I didn't know she was going to, and we both did it on the same day, and it was the day after her birthday, and I was like, well, this works out kind of perfect. And, yeah, we're just friends. And I just, like, completely taken the label off this bottle. Wow, said this video, the burping video is going to be less than 30 seconds, going on 6 minutes, fuck. But yeah, that's how I spend my weekend. So, like, and to the people who don't message me and want to, I have Discord, Messenger, Pinterest, and Animo. And I have Twist. I think that's the name of it. I just don't really use it much anymore. I didn't use it much to begin with, in all honesty. And I told them I probably wouldn't be on for a while. And I don't even know I don't know how you add someone on that. Like, I don't know. But yes, that's that. I will not be on much this weekend, but I will, however, be making videos, because not normal videos, and not burping challenges with my friend, because she doesn't want to be a part of that video. So yeah, she doesn't want to be a part of a video for that. Like, she'll do other challenges with me, but not that one. So yeah, like, if it wasn't for my YouTube channel, she probably would, but yeah. But thank you for that. That got way off track. I'm just, like, waving this in the air. I'm gonna stop. I had to update my computer earlier, so it's like, I don't know, it's just being weird. I'm gonna, like, finish this burping video. That didn't work very well. Oh, I just thought of a new challenge, another challenge. With my older brother, we could do a chugging contest. I bet I'd beat him at that. Like, I can get things down my throat faster than he can, and I know that sounds wrong. I don't mean for it like that. Like, I'll just sit here in the middle of class, like, Lifetime Wellness, PE, when we're doing the computer work, that is, and, like, driver's ed, which I have driver's ed in PE first period, so I just do that, and then I just do that the whole time, like this. So I usually don't drop it. Yeah, so I'm pretty good at getting things down my throat faster than my brother is, and again, I know how wrong that sounds. I don't mean it like that. I mean, like, drink-wise, like, actual drink-wise, not, yeah, y'all know what I mean. I mean, drinks, like this. But yes, I will beat my brother at that. Also, I know one person who said they didn't want a shout out, so I will not say their username, gave me an idea for a challenge with my brother. I will have to check in and see if he found someone to help us with that challenge. And if he did, then we will do that challenge. But I refuse to eat fish or shrimp, and I'm sorry. I can't. No, like, ugh. No, shrimp gumbo, I know that has shrimp in it. It was actually pretty good when I ate it before. But, like, I don't really eat fish. It's just, like, my body physically won't let me. Not that I'm allergic to it, but, like, there's other foods that you can eat like that, I guess. I don't know. We'll figure something out. Thank you for watching. Excuse me. And this was supposed to be burping video. It was mostly me rambling on for almost 10 minutes. Oops. Turn your disadvantages into your advantages and have a good time. Hope you enjoyed. And stay safe.